how's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's update is going to be on the shop truck group build. And y'all know what I'm building for that, and I'll show you here in a second. But before we get this video started, as always, guys, thank you. Thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, it's free. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around. I don't care. Y'all just leave something. Like, share, subscribe, whatever. Alright, guys. With that being said, let's see. Robert over at Deep Junk Garage. I always want to say Deep State Garage. Deep Junk Garage. And there will be a link in the description below, as I always do. Anybody I shout out or whatever, I usually leave a link below, so y'all can check out and go subscribe to them or whatever. And any of you guys that need to get a hold of me, I always leave my Gmail in the description below too. I've had a lot of people say, hey, I need to get a hold of you, and I tell them in the comments that, you know, my Gmail, and then I don't hear from them again. Anybody that wants to get a hold of me, I got a Gmail in the description below. I always leave a Gmail there. So if you're wanting to send me stuff, or you're just wanting to talk, whatever, Gmail's below. Alright, with that being said, like I said, the Deep Junk Garage group build, we got a good long time to do this. I'm in the mock-up stage of everything, and I'm probably about May 1st, I'm going to halt this build and move it off the desk, because I can only build one at a time. And then me and Justin from J Hart Models, we will have a buddy build coming up in May. So but after that one's done, then I'll get right back on this. But I'm going to try to get as much done as I can. So this is going to be update number 2, and I think you're going to like what I'm doing to this one. I've already showed you, you know, pretty much had the stance, and I got it down a little bit more, and I got some other stuff done. I got a surprise to show you. And y'all remember, this is a C1 resin body kit. C1's out of England, and I'm not sponsored by them. I got several other kits by them, and matter of fact, I might show you another one here while we're doing this too. Alright, guys, thank you. Turn around and let's look at it. Here we go, guys. Here she is. This is what I got mocked up. As you can see, last time I told you I think I just about had the stance right. I've got the stance down to where I want her now. She's just about all the way in the weeds. She could go more, but I'm not going to. That looks like a pretty aggressive stance right there. And then, as you can see, there's the Porsche engine I resin cast. I just got it kind of mocked up here. That will go in the back. You can see right there. And then here's my surprise. I'm making me a custom made trailer out of the leftover Volkswagen parts that I've cut up here. You can see I've cut everything up. That was the Spider-Man Polar Lights Volkswagen that I used all the donor parts for. And you can see there I got my little trailer hitch. I've got I used the evergreen plastic card to make the trailer bed. I'm not done with it, but it's getting pretty close. I put the deck lid on it, still got the tail lights, all that stuff to do, but I got the trailer hitch done up. And this right here, guys, this is what I'm making to go on the trailer. If it'll focus, it'll look better once it's just kind of mocked up now. But I took 2 fenders, grafted them together. Then I took the mini bike that's in the Dodge pickup, AMT or MPC, whatever it is, and I made a sissy bar for it. I still got to put a gas tank cap on it, the tail light on it, the headlights on it, of course paint it and do all that crap too. But I'm getting her mocked up right there. I'll have to make probably some foot pegs for it, and then I'll probably have to make a kickstand or a stand for it. You can see right there. That's what she kind of looks like. Of course, that wheel's up. Oh, it just fell, guys. We have a disaster. She is bit the dust. Back tire went flying into the carpet, but as you can see, let's see if this thing will stand up since it's not got the back tire on it. Boy, thing don't wanna cooperate right now. Boom. Well, y'all get the idea. Like I said, it's just in mock-up stage. But I can take that fender off there, maybe. I need to just put this back on the stand. Oh well. It ain't happening. You can see the handlebars aren't even glued down or nothing, so I'm just set that right there. But I got the idea from this from C1 models. I actually don't have that because I didn't realize they come out with it, but they have a mini bike kit that's made of a Volkswagen fender. They have a trailer that's made of this, but I didn't want to spend the money on it for the simple fact that I had everything to make everything. I just make it myself. But if you don't want to make it yourself, go over there to C1 Models and buy that trailer. It's pretty cool. You can get the Volkswagen kit there too. Alright, let me kind of pause this, put this in the holder here, and I'll show you the other C1 model I was going to let y'all look at. Here it is. It's the MGB GT, and the next one I'm going to get is the MGC GT race car. They also have that one if you go to their website. This one right here, I got an actual car in the backyard that needs to be restored, but I have a MGB GT, and this one here I'll probably build like I would build it. Let's open it up, show you what's in this bag. There you go. Look how crisp that is. Of course, I'll cut the hood out. I have the MGB GT or MGB engine, little 1800 4-cylinder engine, resin cast, and all the firewall and all that. It don't come in this kit. I've done it myself. Here's all the parts and goodies. It comes with the back behind the seat. It comes with the left-hand drive, steering wheel, mirrors, all kinds of stuff. Everything you need. It even comes with resin parts, the little back seat piece, and they made a mistake on my wheels though. These weren't the wheels that I ordered with it, but it's alright. It ain't no big deal. Not like I was even going to use them anyway, because the wheels that they had to choose from was ones I already had, and there's a couple different ones. These are for the V8 car, but this is not going to be the V8. But then it shows right here, it comes with the little plexiglass acetate, whatever you want to call it, and it shows you right here everything you need to do to modify and make everything fit. Pretty cool. Alright guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And you get a chance, go over to C1 and check out their stuff. I highly recommend them. They are a good resin casting company. And I've resin cast myself too. And I did this back before C1 ever had that. Of course, my resin cast is not as crisp and not as good as that. You can see right there. And then here is the engine bay area, and then of course it all needs to be carved out and cut out. There's the radiator and all that, and then I got the engines too. But that engine and this right here was cast from the Wheels Fine Cast or the Southeastern Fine Cast, whichever Wheels was first, and they got bought out. But it's a white metal 124 scale white metal MGB kit, and that's what I cast all that stuff out of. But now I don't even have to build this because I got the good one. Matter of fact, my son bought me that one. Actually, he got it for me for my birthday, I think it was, one year. And actually, he got me that one too. So, alright guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe.